Hi, I would like to answer your question. What is a page? What is a module? What is a file? Let's start from files. You can see here all different types of course files. Some of them are in folders. A file could be an image, a screenshot, a PDF document, an icon, a text document. So we can have different PDF documents stored under our files. And one of those documents for sure is going to be our course syllabus, like this one. So this is a PDF file, but we can also have other types of files. Here I have another document file. These files we can use in our modules. So let's go to modules. And this is an example of a module that you first see when you enter your course. Instructor module do not publish. So it means that you should not click on it to make it green and therefore visible to students. So this is a module, a chunk of content of different type. So in this instructor module, you have a page tool. Again, that's different than a file. We have a specific category called pages. You have a link in this module leading you to Canvas tutorials. And you have another page with a lot of links in it about Canvas support. The next module you'll see is a template module. It has the home page. So we're using Canvas's Pages tool to create this home page. That's a template, so you can edit this. This module also has weekly overview page. So you can see that page is different than a file because page found under Pages tool can be modified by you and can include pictures, embedded videos, icons, and other content. This picture, for example, is an image file, and it lives under files in this course. Each icon is a separate file. So all these different types of files are used here to create this page. Another example page is library resources page, which includes embedded videos that students can play about the library and links to research databases, to appointments with a librarian, and a general link to the library. Your sample week module includes headers for different type of content that is housed in the module. It includes pages and it can include a file. You can attach a single PDF file to a module as well. Module can include assignments, which we create using assignment tool, and it can create discussions and quizzes. So in one module, we can put different type of content. You need to decide how you want to organize your course. Many courses are organized by weeks, and students find it really helpful. But if this organization doesn't make sense for you, you can organize your content differently.